Assistive Touch operates as an amazing shortcut tool for every iPhone user. Since the home button acted as a vital aspect to the iPhone's functionality, it opens the home screen, activates Siri, switches and closes apps, and more. If your physical home button is not working, you can use Assistive Touch as a virtual home button instead. In order to turn on Assistive Touch, go to Settings. Accessibility. Touch. Assistive Touch. Then turn it on. A dark square with a white circle will appear on your screen. This is your shortcut to the Assistive Touch menu, and it'll appear on every screen. You can tap on it to open the Assistive Touch menu or drag it around the screen and out of the way if you're trying to do something. If you think this information is helpful for you, then please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get latest updates regarding iPhone secret features. Thank you for watching.